Ivor King are industry specialists in the use of Giken Supercrush silent piling technology. We supplied and installed a cut-off wall to retain and stabilise a lagoon embankment at a sewage treatment works near Birmingham, whilst also protecting against erosion from the adjacent River Tame. Ivor King installed 750 steel sheet piles, ranging between 7 and 11 metres in length. The resultant pile line spanning almost half a kilometre. Because of the risk of landslip coupled with adverse ground conditions, sheet piles were installed vibration-free using one of our state-of-the-art Giken Supercrush silent pilers. Work was carried out using one of our Giken ECO700S Supercrush silent pilers, supported by AGD Equipment's Giken clamp crane. This was due to a narrow corridor of working, which prevented the use of piling mats. Sheet piles were supplied to site using a tractor and bespoke trailer unit, designed and manufactured by Ivor King. This was due to weight restrictions, which precluded the use of heavy goods vehicles. Our Giken Supercrush silent piling technology allows us to overcome hard ground conditions using a silent and vibration-free method of installation. Giken technology is environmentally friendly and uses biodegradable oil as standard. Ivor King are the only owners of Supercrush technology in the UK and the largest in Europe. Whatever your piling project, we're your people.